I'm going to show you how to work a raglan sleeve with magic loop. Now you can do this also with DPNs, but I have found that I like to use magic loop. They're a lot easier to control, and then when I put it aside, I can just, like I do with any circular knitting, you just put your needles, pull them tight, and you can lay it aside and none of your needles will fall out, which I find sometimes with DPNs that my DPNs will fall out. So the first thing you need to know is that you will need a long circular needle. The short ones will not work. So you have your stitches on your long circular needle, and I have the center of the armpit right where my needles meet here. So the first step is to pull your needles. It doesn't have to be perfect here on this one. Pull them through so you have a long loop up here. And then you're going to put your left needle like you're going to knit, just like so. And you have your long loop here. And then you're going to take your right needle and you're going to pull it out just so that you can knit with it. And you still will have a loop on this side. And then we will knit across just like we would if we had circular needles. Okay, so we're almost across the first section. So we'll finish knitting these last few stitches. And now we're at halfway. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing we did with the first. We're going to now, we have it, our loop here. So we're going to pull so that our left needle, once again, is at the start of the stitches, like so, and have our loop. And then we're going to take our right needle, pull it out just enough so that we can knit with it, and we still have our loop over here. And then we're going to knit across this section. So just a few more stitches here. We'll knit these stitches, and we're again at the start of our round. So just like we did from before, we're going to pull this string, this loop over here so that our left needle tucks in nice here. So we're ready to knit. And then we're going to take our right needle, pull it just enough to knit, and then we'll start working on this second round. And like I said, the beauty of magic loop then also is when I want to put it away, all I do is pull my needles straight, tight, lay it aside, and it's ready for me to begin again.